We're here at St. James Farm with the COD Cares volunteers, and we are doing a litter cleanup on our Mac Road trail here. As soon as we started, we had a lot of rain come in, and it was a little touch and go there for a minute. Thankfully though, they were still really determined to come out and participate today. So that's not typical of many groups, but they were definitely still willing and super enthusiastic to be out here today.
It's been great. I love helping people, bonding with my teammates too. A lot of us are new with the team, so it's helping us bond and also meeting other people. And not only it's productive for our collaboration, but also for doing something for the community as well.
We have a great team to work with. We have a lot of fun, make the best of the weather, and we're doing a good thing for the community. So the best thing we found today was a $10 bill in one piece. Lunch is on me.